there. Okay, I'm so sorry. My screen recorder timed out. Okay, so essentially what I was trying to say was this. If you're in a position and you're ready to move forward on the rebuild of the site and going at that with an aggressive approach, absolutely all for it. Clearly, obviously, your website is your main hub, and that is what should be pulling in most of your business. 70% should be coming from that, and then 30% from your Google business page. If you're not in position to jump all in and do that right now, I totally understand that as well. The other route that we can take is we can aggressively approach and attack essentially your Google business page. We can, bring that to its highest potential, and then once you've got a couple sales under your belt, then we can, you know, revisit the needs of the site to get that at its optimal level as well. So I just wanted to show you some things on your Google business page. So here's your Google business page. You've got great reviews. That's incredibly important. That's wonderful. The thing that I want to show you, a couple of things here that could be done to help out your Google business page. Actually, you know what? I'm sorry, I should have showed you this first. So ideally, we want businesses to be in one of the top 3 spots in the Google Map Pack, because that is what's shown upon the search results coming back is 3 listings. So if we count right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. Excuse me. I apologize. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we've got you guys in the 8th position. So it's not like you're, incredibly too far off. However, a, 5 to 7 rank increase is going to take some effort for sure. Absolutely. Now, going back to the ideas on what needs to be done here is that you've got great pictures. The downfall is that there's only 12 of them. Google favors and gives specialized credibility to businesses that have 100 or more images. Google doesn't want to just see these images all uploaded onto your Google business page. What they want to see is images that are 720 by 720 in size, that are geo-tagged correctly for surrounding areas and locations, title tagged and saved correctly with your organic keywords that you're targeting. Just there's so many expectations and algorithms with Google. So as far as the pictures go, I won't bore you with too much of the technical stuff. I will just let you know that additional images with these key components would do wonders. Now the second thing is citations. What a citation is essentially anytime that your business name, address, and telephone number are listed on Google, you get a citation for that. So citations are also called business registrations. And so what we want to do is we want to not only meet how many your number 1 competitor in that number 1 spot has, but we also want to exceed and beat them out by roughly 50. The reason for that is because we want to obviously climb the ranks, with least amount of time as possible, right? But we also, once we get in the position that we want to be in, we want to maintain that. So that is something that we want to look at, pretty regularly to make sure that we're, staying ahead of the curve and above the competition. So that would be the next thing. Now, again, like we already talked about, your Google reviews are great. Just continue to get them. Frequency is really important to Google. And then the 4th thing that I would certainly address is the posting. So now you guys do have a posting back from June 30th. So that's not, too terribly long ago. However, ideally what Google wants to see is 3 to 5, this is mind-blowing, 3 to 5 posts a week, which is just absolutely absurd. I don't know where you'd even come up with, enough content and so forth to support that. Now, what Google does like to also see is they like to see posts in the 4 categories that they offer. So what I found to be really productive is you do a post for one of those 4 categories once a week. So you've got 4 posts a week going to the Google business page and in the 4 categories that they favor. So I found that to be incredibly helpful as well. And then there's, multiple avenues embedded within the Google page itself. So we've got services, and we've got descriptions that can all be filled out, which are not filled out on yours. We can do a frequently asked questions section. We can do an owner customer questionnaire thing. There's just endless opportunities on what we can do to optimize and really bring the fire with ranking this Google business page. Again, Google business pages are very important, especially when you've got a brick and mortar location. There is a very high ability to optimize these listings and then be, of course, successful in converting and so forth with these. So that is always an option as well. So again, I haven't talked to you in a little bit. I'm not sure where you're at and what it is that you're looking to do, but I just wanted to explain to you that there's a multitude of different avenues that we can take. We can tailor essentially any plan of attack for any situation. And if you just want to let me know where you're at and what your thoughts are and what you're thinking, that would be great, and we can certainly get a plan together to help you start moving up the ranks and start bringing in a bunch of this traffic that is absolutely out there and that is searching. So I hope to talk to you soon. I'm going to send you both these videos, and I hope to chat soon. Thanks, Lillian. Appreciate you.